Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best industrial sewing machine is probably one of the most robust pieces of equipment in the textile industry, built to handle demanding, high-volume sewing tasks. These machines are the workhorses of factories and workshops, designed for speed, precision, and the ability to work with a wide range of materials. Whether you're a seasoned professional or a dedicated hobbyist, understanding the capabilities of these machines can significantly enhance your productivity and the quality of your work. Number 5. Singer Heavy Duty 4432 Sewing Machine. This is the Singer 4432, a heavy-duty sewing machine designed for your toughest projects. It features a strong motor with enhanced piercing power. It is perfect for sewing through multiple layers of fabric. The machine has a heavy-duty metal frame, which provides stability and ensures long-lasting durability. This robust construction allows it to handle various fabrics with ease. It's built to withstand the demands of frequent use. Need to work fast? This machine can sew up to 1,100 stitches per minute. This is great for larger projects with long seams. It helps you get your projects done quickly. It features a top drop-in bobbin with a clear view cover. The jam-proof bobbin and transparent cover make it easy to monitor your thread supply. The bobbin is easy to wind and insert. The machine includes a reverse lever for reinforcing stitches. This feature allows you to sew in reverse. This is essential for securing seams and preventing unraveling. Creating buttonholes is a breeze with the one-step buttonhole feature. Simply place your button in the foot's holder. The machine will create a perfectly sized buttonhole every time. What we like. This machine boasts a heavy-duty metal frame for stability and durability. It also offers an extra high sewing speed, perfect for large projects. If you are looking for a machine that can handle thick fabrics and complete projects quickly, you should consider this one. Its one-step buttonhole feature ensures perfect buttonholes every time, making it ideal for garment making. What people say. Bought it as a Christmas present for my wife, to hem dresses and fix seams and do minor repairs, plus to use it to make drapes from African mud cloth, which is a heavy material, and it seems to be doing the job very well so far. Bought the heavy-duty needles to go with it. Automa Macchina de Chiusura. Motor potente e silenzioso, la Singer non spaglia un colpo, a detta di mia madre, bravissima sarda, chius in modo impeccable, ha la possibilità di creare soli per bottoni di varie misure in un modo semplicissimo tramite un accessorio in dotazione. Adatta sia per principianti che per chi chiusura e una profession. Number 4. Singer HD 6700C Sewing Machine with Accessory Kit. This machine offers 411 stitch applications, including basic, stretch, and decorative stitches. It also has a lettering font. This ensures you have the flexibility to bring your creative visions to life. The package comes with an extensive array of accessories. These include an all-purpose foot, zipper foot, and more. It also includes bobbins and a seam ripper, ensuring you have everything you need to start your next project. Equipped with a powerful motor, it provides enhanced piercing power. You can easily sew through thick fabrics and multiple layers. It delivers smooth, consistent stitching on challenging materials. The LCD screen clearly displays your selected stitch. It also has adjustable stitch length and width settings. The built-in speed control feature gives you complete control for intricate sewing tasks. Create perfectly sized, consistent buttonholes with the automatic one-step buttonhole feature. With 7 different buttonhole styles, you can customize buttonholes to suit your project. It's perfect for garments and bags. What we like. With 411 stitch applications, this machine unleashes your creativity. The LCD screen and speed control offer precision, and the enhanced piercing power handles thick fabrics with ease. If you are working on diverse projects, from garments to home decor, and need a wide range of stitch options, then this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Great strong machine. Strong enough to go through leather and denim, and sewing on embroidered patches. I'm enjoying my new machine. I was mainly aiming for a stronger motor for creating my backpacks, totes, and purses. But the speed control, needle stop position option, drop-down feed dogs, multiple stitches, drop-in bobbin, etc., are all extra perks I haven't had on past machines that I didn't realize I needed. It allows perfectly to sew many layers of resistant fabric. The needle threader is very practical and it is very easy to program the different stitches. Number 3. Juki DDL8700H High-Speed Sewing Machine. This is the Juki DDL8700H, a high-speed lock-stitch sewing machine. Please note that this is the head only, the table and motor are not included. It's designed for heavy-duty sewing. This machine is perfect for those working with heavier materials. It's great for professional curtain makers, jeans, some leathers, and boat canvas. It's built to handle tough projects. The DDL8700H boasts a maximum sewing speed of 4000 RPM. It has a max stitch length of 5 mm and a needle bar stroke of 25 mm. This allows it to work quickly and efficiently. It features a 3-row feed dog and a lift of the presser foot from 5.5 to 13 mm. It uses DB×1, number 21, needles, sizes number 19 to number 23. This ensures it can handle a variety of fabrics. The package includes a thread stand, bobbin winder, oil pan, knee lifter, instruction manual, screwdriver, and machine oil. Everything you need to get started is included with it. What we like. This machine is designed for heavy materials, ideal for professionals. It offers a high-speed lock stitch and comes with essential accessories. If you are a professional curtain maker or work with heavy materials like denim or boat canvas, it is the perfect choice for you. What people say. It's excellent. I would recommend it to anyone who needs a good machine for medium workloads. I haven't sewn anything heavy, but I don't doubt with a little good judgment it would be up to most tasks. Great machine. Great service. Works with denim, leather, marine vinyl. Number 2. Juki DDL8700H Industrial Sewing Machine with Table. This is the Juki DDL8700H, a high-speed lock-stitch sewing machine. It's designed for heavy materials and comes with everything you need to get started. Assembly is required, but it's worth it for the power and precision it offers. The package includes a sewing machine table and an electronic DC servo motor. The motor is 12 HP, 110 volt, and has a speed range of 0 to 3300 RPM. Everything is brand new and packed in sealed boxes. This single-needle lock-stitch machine features auto-lubrication for smooth operation. It also has an adjustable reverse feed and a horizontal axis hook and bobbin. This model does not have a walking foot. The package includes a thread stand, bobbin winder, oil pan, knee lifter, extra bobbins and needles, an instruction manual, and more. It also comes with a screwdriver, machine oil, a tabletop, heavy-duty legs, and a V-belt. Please note that the machine comes unassembled. However, with all the included components, you'll be ready to tackle any sewing project. Get ready to experience the power and precision of this industrial machine. What we like. This machine is a heavy-duty workhorse, complete with a table and servo motor. It features an adjustable reverse feed for added control. If you are looking for a complete setup for heavy-duty sewing tasks, this machine is a great option. It's perfect for those who need a reliable machine for demanding projects. What people say. The machine sews through multiple layers of heavy fabric with ease. The automatic thread trimmer is a great time saver. It has a powerful motor and runs smoothly. Number 1. Juki DDL8100 Industrial Sewing Machine. This industrial sewing machine comes unassembled, ready for you to set up. It includes a table and a powerful, energy-saving servo motor. The machine includes essential accessories to get you started. These include a bobbin winder, thread stand, oil pan, and an instruction manual. This is a single-needle lock-stitch machine, perfect for various sewing projects. It's designed for efficiency and precision, making it a great choice for both beginners and professionals. It can reach speeds up to 4,500 stitches per minute, making it ideal for large projects. It replaces several popular models, offering enhanced speed and performance. The package includes a sewing machine table and an electronic DC servo motor. Everything is brand new and packed in sealed boxes, ensuring quality and reliability. The table is heavy-duty and adjustable, with dimensions of 48 by 20 inches. The DC servo motor is 34H.P, one-phase, 110 volt, and has a speed range of 0 to 3300 RPM. The package also includes a thread stand, bobbin winder, oil pan, knee lifter, extra bobbins, and extra needles. It has everything you need to start sewing right away. What we like. This industrial machine combines speed with energy efficiency, thanks to its servo motor. It comes complete with a table, ready for immediate use. If you are looking for a fast and efficient machine for commercial use, this one is a great choice. Its high speed and included accessories make it a valuable asset. What people say. It is so quiet compared to my older Juki, and it sews like a dream. With help from the assembly videos we had this machine set up quick. It's a beast. Once she's set up, she's amazing. Customer service was excellent and very quick to reply. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.